Hi Universe, this is Michelle Marquez, the Miss Universe Philippines 2023. And today, I'm about to talk about something that is very close to my heart, and that is towards autism acceptance, inclusivity, and empowerment. 3 foundational pillars to creating a more inclusive and sustainable world.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed educators and advocates for equality, today I stand before you to champion a cause that is pivotal to the future of our education system and the broader society. Inclusive education is not merely a theoretical ideal, it is a transformative approach that promises a high quality of education for all learners, irrespective of their backgrounds or abilities. Inclusive education is about more than just placing students with special needs into mainstream classrooms. It emphasizes the values of acceptance, belonging, and collaboration, ensuring that all learners can thrive in a supportive and inclusive environment. Research shows that inclusive education benefits all students, not just those with special needs. It fosters an environment where students learn to respect and appreciate differences, build new friendships, and develop a sense of community. It helps typical students to improve their social emotional skills and prepares them for a diverse world. Despite its benefits, implementing inclusive education presents challenges, especially in higher education and mainstream schools. Students with special needs often encounter barriers due to inadequate policies and lack of tailored teaching strategies. Overcoming these challenges requires a multifaceted approach